Hey girly pop, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we have that viral TikTok Isee half wig. This is the kinky curly half wig. It is in 24 inches, and this is just all of the goodies you get that comes with the wig. I think it comes with all of their wigs and bundles, I think. But girl, look at the wig. This is 180% density, 24 inches, and it's just made so well. It's very thick. Y'all can tell how thick it is. And look at the cap. It's made so good. Come with 4 combs, a wig strap, an adjustable string in the back, and then for extra security, it comes with those 2 little straps on the side. So girl, let's get right into the video. Please. Let me go and get something on my lips and we're gonna get started, okay? We're gonna figure out how to get this wig to look as natural as possible. I'm excited about this wig. The wig has been everywhere on TikTok, all over my YouTube feed. The wig has been everywhere, babes. So we're about to get into it. Give me 1 second. Girl, I forgot I had a mic, so let's go ahead and turn the mic on. Let me see if I can get the mic. Girl, let's see if we can maneuver this. Hold on. I am not mistaken. Y'all should hear me very well. Because I will be using my hands. I will not be, I'm just going to clip this on me. Let's see if it's even going to work, girl. Like, where would it be clipped at? I guess there. Hopefully there. Okay, girl, let's get into this wig because this bonnet is throwing me. Okay? I don't know if y'all can tell, but my skin is literally freaking out right now. I was so excited, girl. Thirsty me. I bought a new toy for my clients, and when it came in, I was just so excited, and I put it on my skin. Girl, I did not prep my skin. I did not soften my barrier. I didn't do anything. I just put that thing on my skin, and now my skin is breaking. It's freaking out. Okay, he's like, girl, what is you doing? Literally. So we'll get into that routine and how I calm my skin down a little later. But this is not about that. This is about Isee's hair. Okay, here's installed that I had. So I already have my braid out. Yeah. So I only have this much left out. Everything else is literally put up. Now my thing is, should I put a cap over it? But I feel like anytime I have the cap slide. And I did go ahead and change out the band to that black, the red band, because it comes with the black one on. Now, why I changed it out, I don't know. I just feel like the one that I had, that black band was real big. So we're going to start to adjust the back of the wig first. And this part here goes on your head so it won't slip. So we can take this comb and tuck it under the band. That's what I like to do, man. Okay. Now, let's put the wig, let's adjust it. Now, mind you, I have a big head, okay? So, and the band, the wig is not even on, and is wigging, okay? I don't want to say it's wigging, like the wig up so I can adjust the side combs. Do the front. I'm just squeezing that so it can stay a little tight. Okay. What's the game plan? The game plan is to, okay, let's split it down the middle. Okay, but we back. I just had to make sure I was in frame. I got a big head, big hair. Y'all know how it is. Okay. We are going to split this hair down the middle and work with this side first. Now, from my experience with this hair, I know that this hair does very well with least amount of product. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do water in this foam. I think this foam, it's a Tresemme foam, and it's Bouncy Curls. Girl, this was the one that they had at my local Walmart on delivery because I was not going to no stores this morning. Okay, so let's go ahead and spray this hair down and pray that that spray works. My dimming brush. Should I have a different type of brush, y'all? Should I start with like smaller parts? Should we? I don't know. Should we shape it first? Should we cut it and shape it first? Like, girl, what should we do? Okay, let's change up the plan. Let's work from section by section. We're not going to work from side to side because this is a lot of hair. So we're going to do this section. Make sure your eye is in frame. The hair is soft. It's easy to brush through. Of course, girl, girl. Of course, curly hair is going to be curly hair. So I'm not expecting this hair to be like some type of miracle curly hair because when you have curly hair, you just have to treat it like your hair. That's just what it is. And I don't want it to be too damp because I want it to dry real big. Well, that might have been too much. So it must feel good. And this better not make my curls hard, girl. So much. Y'all see that? Okay. Okay. Next section. I didn't realize how much of a therapy it feels speaking to y'all here on TikTok. I know what it felt like on YouTube because maybe I'm a yapper. Okay. Yap session. But it's honestly, and it's like, girl, what's the difference? The difference is you have a broader audience on TikTok per se. If you know what I mean. Like, your videos pretty much have to be discovered on YouTube. And so, I pretty much get the same viewers or whatever, my same viewers on my long form content. And it's like a family. It's like a family. Ooh, yeah. But baby, on TikTok, you got all you need is to go viral one time. Okay. And you have the attention of the world. And that's a little scary. That's why I'm not in no rush to like go viral. Like, because the thing about it is once I go viral, like my one video, my honey video went viral. And I got a little bit scared because I'm like, damn, am I supposed to be chasing this viral high? Like, is this what it feel like to go viral? Am I supposed to like try to keep posting these videos and keep making them go viral? That was just too much pressure for me. And it is honestly still too much pressure for me. I just want to do my thing over here on my little corner of TikTok and that be that. I don't want no smoke in these viral streets. Okay. My life is now, God willing, if I ever become a full-time content creator, yeah, I'm gonna be pushing out videos on their ass. Now this is 24 inches. 24 inches of hair. I get my hair in 24 inches all the time. And this is it. I'm like, at first I'm like, okay, this is the halfway. They not finna really be giving on inches like that, but yeah. Come on, I see. I should have did this on live, y'all. I like this. If you on content, you know that my very first like version bundles were Isee bundles. So I used to rave all the time about Isee hair, and I would only get their body wave hair because it had that little bit of texture. And of course, I'm natural, and so when I would straighten my hair, it would match my texture so bad with the body wave bundles. And those were the only bundles I would wear. Like I would grab some uniques, but I found that sometimes I would grab, I guess, the wrong series or something of uniques, and it would just be too silky for my hair. Now, mind you, Unique and Isee were the two companies
Eunice, Isee, and Nadula. Baby, that's good. Do y'all remember Glam Twins? Back in the day, if y'all seen YouTube like OGs, you would know that back in the day, Glam Twins was like those girls. To me, they still those girls. Girl, it's girl, girl. When I tell you, I would tell myself all the time, I want weave that look just like their hair. I would go to companies and brands and just stylists back when I used to live in Chicago and be like, what hair can I get to get my hair like this? And girl, the only response I would get from said people is, that's not all they hair. Girl, yes it is. That's beside the point. What hair can I get to make my hair look like that? But no, this is some gorgeous hair. Give me a second, mama. So I'm done with this side. We're gonna come back and see how I cut it. My baby want my attention really quick, so give me 1 second. Okay, honey bun. I have indeed switched location. We are now in my bathroom, just so you all can get a feel of the hair. Go ahead and cut the hair on camera with y'all. Why I feel like we should have cut the hair before defining the curls, but it's okay. We can always go back and define the curls again. Now, let's see where we want this wig to fall. The goal is for this hair to be as big and fluffy as possible without taking away too much of the length, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut little by little until we get our desired look. Now, I did kind of like part this wig down the center, just so we can like do one of them jumps, do one of those. Okay, my blow dryer literally just recently broke. Okay, so I'm literally, let's just finish. The part that I'm a little worried about, just a tad bit, it's my hair. Yeah, so I've been wanting to have a little conversation with my YouTube. TikTok, if y'all listen. I might make this a separate video for TikTok, but I've been, I'm not gonna say too much because um, I like to be a mysterious woman. But y'all, it ain't no motion in my town. When I tell y'all like no motion, it ain't no motion at work. And I'm talking about dating. I'm talking about the candidates. Where are the potentials? Where are the men? No, let me make something clear. Where are all the black men? Yeah. 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 My hair already have like a leave-in conditioner on it and all of the things. So we just gonna go right in with, do you do gel or mousse first, girl? I don't know. But I don't want one of those slick backs that's slick back like, and I don't want to drench my hair in water. Should I be drenching my hair in water? How did I do it the last time? We're gonna put a lot of body on my actual hair because I don't know how that Tresemme gonna work on my hair. The infatuation with this hair is that you don't have to do too much with this hair, girl. I'm finna have to change memory cards anyway, and it's about to blow me. I want this hair to be so big, like I might have to go back and put more.
Before you watch me puff it, pop it, pop it for you, baby. Drop it, drop it for you, baby. Watch it, watch me go, baby. Wanna make that body rock, sit back and watch.
Oh, y'all want a little input on the conversation on my YouTube? Go follow your girl at GoddessOverdoze. Y'all know that's my stage name. But if you are new here, you can call me AJ, okay? My real name is Adrian, all right? No, for real. My YouTube is Goddess Overdose. OG. Hey, girl, hey. So, TikTok, I'm going to talk to y'all a little later, okay? I got to talk to the girls. And if y'all want input on the conversation, go follow my YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe. I don't bite.